you talk about builds that make you stop in your tracks? This one is at the top of that list. A 1957 Chevy Bel Air custom wagon built by Tony's Hot Rods out of Jordan, Minnesota. This rotisserie-restored Pro Street wagon nails the look with a hunter green and white two-tone finish laid over black leather. It's powered by a 540 cubic inch V8, a Turbo-Hydramatic 400 transmission with a reverse manual shift kit, and a custom Ford 9-inch rear end. This combo isn't just strong, it's brutal. The details make it shine. Forged internals, roller cam, Offenhauser intake with dual Holley 4 barrels, MSD ignition, Sanderson headers, and dual electric fans, keeping it all cool. The stance is pure muscle. Full rear tubs, QA1 shocks, CalTracs suspension, and staggered centerlines wrapped in 31-inch Mickey Thompsons out back. Inside, black leather buckets, Dakota digital gauges, and a cherry wood rear floor keep it classy, while a Kenwood system with Bluetooth and Sirius XM adds just the right touch of modern. This wagon's not just built to show, it's built to run. 540 horsepower of street-ready, muscle-wearing, Sunday best chrome. That's what I call a true street monster. Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.